Hello everyone, I am Ami from Ekitech. Today I'm tell you for our out of India viewers like American, USA, German, Turkey, all of our Geo Fiber broadband plans available known how to apply online December 17, 2016. Reliance Jio has already made announcements about its new product fiber based broadband service. This service is exclusively being tested from many days in Mumbai and Pune locations, India. JioFiber plan, which is exclusively available to some users, is known as FTTH-based plans. Recently, various plans of Jio broadband has been made available to the public. The plans range between 500 to 5,500. Jio broadband service will be launched in other cities as well as a welcome offer for 90 days in which you will able to test Jio Giga Fiber broadband speed and connectivity. Jio broadband test latest updates. The launch of Jio broadband service has been delayed due to the extension of Jio 4G commercial launch until 31st March. We can expect Jio broadband launch date after March 2017. Please subscribe to the email notification to receive information when Jio broadband is available on your area. Types of Jio Giga Fiber broadband plans. Currently, the plans are distributed in three main categories listed below. Jio Giga Fiber Speed based plans, Jio Giga Fiber Value based plans, Jio Giga Fiber Special Broadband plans, Jio Giga Fiber Broadband Speed based monthly plans. Speed based plans are basically kept with limited speed and data used. There are various plans under this category. Jio Fiber plans, speed, Mbps, data limit plans. Jio Fiber 50 Mbps plan, 50 Mbps speed, data limit 2000 GB. Plans price 15,000. Validity 30 days. In few modes. How to apply for Jio Giga Broadband Fiber. Jio Giga Fiber broadband will be offered as a welcome offer to all in coming months. The Jio Fiber welcome offer will be valid for 90 days. You can enjoy unlimited broadband service for 90 days. Jio Fiber broadband service is currently available only in Mumbai and Pune, India. If you are interested in Jio Giga Fiber broadband service, then fill the form below and we will inform you when Jio Fiber broadband is available in your area. Thank you friends, like my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.